International Open is August 8th through 12th in Muncie, Indiana. Oh, wow. Oh, man. We just had an epic crash, and now we're going to send the Phantom out to the scene to show us what just happened there.
Here we go.
Missed it. That
Crash
huge-ass plane just crashed right there. Holy guy. You know how many trees...
Oh, it's on fire.
Now there's a look. There you see off to the right. There is a fire right now with that big plane. And you know what? That plane is probably going to be done. It's made of paper. It's
paper and foam and LiPo batteries.
Wow, that is insane. That was an epic crash. It's still smoldering out there.
Oh, there goes another second cell.
And
there goes more.
Second cell. So we're going to send the Phantom back to report. This is an aerial view brought to you by Kelly FPV. And, I mean, this is better than what they're doing on CNN these days over those wildfires. We are right now in our soybeans giving you the 3 cameras. There's another shot. And you notice that no one is coming to save this plane. They're like, that's it, I'm done. Well, looks like the owner might be off to the right there, working their way. I can almost see the tears in the Fat Shark from here. Tears and Fat Sharks. Third cell. Now the fire continuing.
Fire department out there with the fire extinguishers now trying to put this out.
Let's get an aerial view, Kelly. Let's send our aerial reporter back to the skies, taking another look at it. There we go. This is a Phantom, but as you can see, it's got full flight controller to race in acro mode, fly in acro mode, and there's a great look right there, guys. This is in the live stream right now. Clip it and share it. This is part of the story right there. Look at the fire extinguisher, the crew. What about this coverage right now? Are we watching CNN or the YouTube channel of MultiGP? Look at this. They don't orbit around crash scenes. Now let's go out. This is the view back from our broadcast truck. You can see there's our aerial reporter orbiting, as you see to the right of the screen, and the emergency responders. And tonight, guys, when you lay your heads down on the pillow at night, you know, keeping our heads safe, we wanted to definitely thank those that are our first responders, policemen and firemen and EMTs. That's and especially those that just put out the fire out to the far back. They're still out there working. Do we have it?
Yeah.
You don't see Chopper 34 hitting gaps, do you? Oh, no. Dang. Dang, that was pretty good right there. Still awaiting that tally. Darth Woo PV saying best plane crash ever. Heck yeah, it was. Oh, Ladrip says, hi, Darth Woo PV. Let's see if I can, still awaiting that tally. I was, we didn't have a production meeting. We should have had a production meeting, because had I had this sheets, I would have, I could have just put it in the computer. But I think what they are actually doing, the judges are actually totaling up all of the, they're totaling up all of the scores and then verifying that their scores and their decisions ultimately were the right ones. And now there's a little still shot right there of the crash scene. You know, thoughts and prayers to everyone that was on that. Just joking. No one died in that incident.